So this is going to be a quick and honest review about this nail drill that Amazon sent me. And I chosen the color pink. They have another option, the color white. And this is the box. It come in this box, and then it come in an Amazon box. They also, in the box, they sent me a manual explaining how to use the drill, how to plug it up, how to operate it, and then cautious. You have to be cautious with these type of things. So this is the drill, and as you see, it comes in high, medium, and low speed, so you can adjust it. And also it's a forward and reverse button, so it depends on if you want it left or right. This is the on and off button, and it's a nice drill. My honest opinion about it, it's very nice. It got the job done for my clients, so it's nothing much to complain about. It was only $49.99 shipping. If you want extended shipping, that's more like $8, I think. Depends on where you live at. But it was $49.99, and I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna plug it up and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how it works. So push the on button, right? You have the palette. Do not forget the palette. I'm gonna show you the palette. Don't forget the palette. So you push the on button, and then right here. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but I'm gonna speed it up. So this is how high it goes. And you really can hear that. And it don't even vibrate. It make noise, but it don't like harsh vibration. And then you can slow it down. I'm gonna show you how it works. So basically, you can, just a little demonstration. It get the job done, baby. Period. So if you want to purchase it, I think her name is SC Mystery on Amazon. And that's about it. So